Saturday of the month. You already know where we going. Let's go. Perfect. I appreciate it. So here we are, first Saturday of the month, Cars and Coffee Charlotte. 2020, first time I've been here since September. I got the video on my channel, so check that out. So we out here, pretty good turnout. So let's check out what we got out here. And also, trackshaker.com is live. Get you some swag. Also trying to get on the track, get helmets, tools, all that stuff. So let's get it. Perfect.
Like Widebody.
looks like the Mustang crew is trolling the Mopar crew. Well, Subaru 2 is trolling the Mopar crew with splitter guards. And the Mercedes also did it too. And the funny thing is, only one out of all the Mopars out here, only one had the splitter guards on it. Well, not the real, not the fake ones, but only one has it on there. Mercedes, so they're still trolling with it. Oh,
that's the first Scat I seen. I didn't see the Cat.
Yeah, the first one I seen. So this right here is the first wide body Scat Charger that I've seen. All right, we're out of here for today. Wrap up this video. Want to say thank you for everyone checking out the channel. Hit 200 subscribers like a couple of weeks ago, so appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button first for checking this out. See you on the next video. We're out of here.
Perfect.